Let's talk real. Most people use ChatGPT like it is Google. They type in write me a blog post or make a to-do list and call it a day. But here's the thing. When you learn how to actually talk to AI creatively, it stops being just a tool and starts feeling like that one friend who challenges your thinking, pushes you further, and makes you go, oh, I never thought about it that way. So today, I'm going to show you 7 simple prompt tricks that you can literally start using right now. And I promise these aren't boring ones. They are actually fun to play with. So let's jump in. So the first one is Socratic Interrogation. Instead of asking AI to give you answers, flip the script and ask it to question you instead. So normally you would say something like, help me improve my morning routine. But try this instead. Challenge my assumptions about my morning routine. What might I be doing wrong? Now AI just became your coach instead of your assistant. It is making you think deeper instead of just handing you a generic answer. This works amazing for business ideas, study methods, fitness plans, anything where you need to actually challenge your own thinking. And the second trick is the constraint paradox. Okay, this one is super fun. You basically give AI weird random limits to force it to get creative. So instead of just saying explain procrastination, you say explain procrastination using only cooking examples. When you force limits, both the brain and AI become way more imaginative. It is like telling someone to draw something using only circles, and suddenly you get art that is actually interesting. Try this while you are naming products. You can say something like, it has to sound like a dessert, and you will get something creative. While writing bios, you can ask GPT to make it sound like a movie trailer. Or use this method while explaining complex topics to kids. The weirder the constraint, the better the result. Third trick is the future archaeologist. This one is my favorite because it completely changes your perspective. Ask AI to pretend it is in the future, looking back at today. So instead of asking what will people say about how we used AI in 2025, you ask, you are a historian in 2124. What will people say about how we used AI in 2025? And this is the result. What this does is remove all your biases and give you a long-term view. AI will often reveal patterns or warnings that you would never notice when you are stuck in the present moment. Try this with your startup idea, your lifestyle choices, tech predictions, anything where you need to zoom out and see the bigger picture. Fourth trick is the negative space prompt. Alright, so instead of asking what to do, ask what not to do. Normal prompt would be how do I grow on LinkedIn? But a creative prompt would be what are 5 things that will definitely make me fail on LinkedIn? Honestly, it is way easier to spot what is wrong than what is right. You catch your blind spots faster this way. Use this for health tips. What should I not eat when I'm trying to sleep better? Or for your work tips. What habits absolutely ruin productivity? Or some relationship tips. What should I not ask during an argument? It is like a mental shortcut to avoid the dumb mistakes before you even make them. Now the fifth one is the dumb question escalator. This one is perfect for learning new stuff. Start super simple, then go deeper step by step. Let's say you want to understand how credit cards work. First, you ask GPT to explain it like I am 5 years old. Now explain it like I am 15 years old. And finally, now explain it like I am an adult managing debt. See what happened? You learned in layers. You climbed these stairs instead of trying to jump between floors. This works amazing for new tech you don't understand, financial or legal stuff, basically anything you are trying to wrap your head around. And the sixth one is Frankenstein method. Okay, now it is time to get weird. Mix 2 completely unrelated things and see what happens. A normal prompt would be give me tips to stay productive. But a Frankenstein prompt would be combine the mindset of a marathon runner with the daily routine of a busy office worker. Create a hybrid productivity method I can follow. And it forces connections between ideas that don't normally meet. And that is literally where innovation happens. Try this for business ideas, marketing content, product design, anytime you need a fresh angle that no one else has thought of yet. Seventh one is the red team prompt. This is the last one, a brutal one but so useful. Ask AI to actively try to break your idea on purpose. Like ask GPT that you are trying to make my app fail, what would you do? And GPT will reply something like this. Now you know exactly what not to do. AI just became your enemy for a second, showing you all your weak spots before real life does. Use this for business pitches, project plans, resumes, portfolios, anything where you need to stress test your idea before it goes out into the world. Now here's a bonus trick. The parallel universe swap. Make AI think like someone totally unexpected. How would Elon Musk market my coffee shop? This changes your point of view instantly. You see your problem through a completely different lens. And sometimes that is all you need to unlock the solution. So next time you open ChatGPT, don't just ask for answers. Play with it, challenge it, add weird rules, travel through time, ask the wrong questions, because that is where the magic really happens. Try one of these tricks today and honestly drop your favorite prompt in the comments below. I'll make sure that I'll feature the most creative ones in my next video. See you then.